Hey guys, this is Mike with VMP Performance. Today we have a customer's 2011 GT California Special brought to us all the way from Delaware to have one of our vacation packages installed. Not only did we get him set up with our vacation package, a Gen3R 88mm pulley, while he was here he also had us do Cook's long tubes, a built 6R80, and an aluminum drive shaft. We're going to get this thing on the dyno and see what kind of power we can get for him. Alright guys, so we just finished up here on the dyno. We were able to get 676 horsepower out of this car for the customer, which is about 300 over what it came in with. I think he is going to be really excited with this, and especially for his long drive all the way back to Delaware. If you guys are interested in a vacation package similar to this, make sure to contact sales and support and they can get you set up. And as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.